Philosophers have long debated whether truth is objective or subjective. Socrates famously questioned whether apparent reality is only illusion. He suggested that sensory experiences cannot be fully relied upon. Instead, Socratic philosophy emphasizes introspection and rational inquiry. The allegory of the cave illustrates perceived reality's limitations. In this allegory, cave prisoners mistake shadows for reality. The liberated prisoner represents enlightenment and comprehending true reality. Socrates proposes that truth requires questioning and dialectical reasoning. His legacy endures in the quest for knowledge through dialogue. Critics argue varying truths exist in different cultures and contexts. This view of relative truth contrasts with Socratic ideals. Modern interpretations of truth include scientific validation and empiricism. Philosophers ponder whether truth evolves or remains constant. The debate continues as a fundamental philosophical inquiry. Is truth merely perception, or does an ultimate reality exist? Socrates' questions remain relevant in today's philosophical discussions. His inquiry encourages deeper examination of beliefs and assumptions. Ultimately, it challenges individuals to seek their own understanding. Thus, the question, is truth an illusion, invites continual exploration.